Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza quesadillas. This quick and easy recipe combines two beloved comfort foods into one fantastic meal. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need large flour tortillas, about 10 inches in diameter, your preferred pizza sauce, and plenty of shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't forget your favorite toppings, like pepperoni or cooked vegetables, to customize each quesadilla perfectly. Now, let's assemble these tasty treats. Lay a tortilla flat and spread about 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce over 1/2. Next, sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This is where you add your favorite toppings. Remember to keep them thinly sliced for even cooking. Finally, fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled side, creating a perfect half-moon shape ready for the pan. It's time to cook our quesadillas to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 quesadilla in the hot pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You are looking for a beautiful golden brown crust and cheese that is completely melted and bubbly. Gently press down with a spatula during cooking to ensure even heat distribution and a crispy exterior. Repeat for all your quesadillas. Once cooked, remove your pizza quesadilla from the pan and let it cool for just about 1 minute before slicing. This brief resting period helps the cheese set. Cut your quesadilla into 2 or 3 wedges for easy serving. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Try different cheeses, vegetables, or even cooked meats. Serve these delightful quesadillas with extra pizza sauce or a side of ranch dressing for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.